Hello, Sambaleño subscribers. What you see now is what they call Sinking Bell Tower, more popular than the St. William Church. This is located within the city center of Lawag, Ilocos Norte in the Philippines, and it was built in 1612 and presumed to sink about an inch per year. It is said the old entrance used to be wide enough to have man on a horseback passing through. It is believed that the tower is sinking, as I said, in a rate of 1 inch every year. There aren't any conclusive scientific explanation for this, but one accepted theory is that the tower being built on a sandy land and its heavy and massive structure is causing it to slowly sink itself into the ground.
There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Lawag Sinking Bell Tower Cathedral
We were meant,
has a rather unusual two-story facade.
we were meant to be.
This facade is supported by two pair of columns located on each side of the arch entrance. The top of this facade has a recess niche with an image of the Lawag patron saint San Guillermo or Saint William.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
So if you want to visit this Sinking Bell Tower, and you can come here or you can go in this place, and because it's open, of course it's open 24 hours guys, so anytime pwede kayong mamasyal dito sa the Sinking Bell Tower. At inuulit ko, dito lang po ito sa A. Bonifacio Road, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Kaya pasyalan na po ninyo itong lugar na ito. At gaya ng sabi ko, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa mga nanonood ng aking vlog. At naway wag po kayong magsawa. At gaya ng lagi kong bilin sa inyo, ingat po tayong lahat. At God bless us all. Okay? Bye-bye. Hanggang sa susunod pong vlog. Ingat po.